Hello, this is Rapid Holding Systems showing you our Rapid Holding Systems part number RHS-FV04. So this particular one is Rapid Holding Systems' very own centering device with a very innovative design to clamp the complex shape workpieces or the irregular shape workpieces. The clamping jaws on both sides, these are designed as pin cushions that adapt the shape of the workpiece. After clamping the workpiece with a single movement of lever, the pins can be locked so they don't move. And when we need to release the workpiece with the reverse movement of the lever, the pins can be released back to its shape. So this centering wise design, it's having a fixed clamping jaw block on one side and movable jaw block on another side, and having a manual lever on one side to move this jaw block forward and backward depending on the size of the workpiece. And the material of the centering vise is stainless steel. Overall dimensions are 450 by 160, and overall height of the vise is 171 millimeters. The total number of pins on the blocks are 226, and the diameter of each pin is 5. The maximum load acceptable on this vise is 250 kilograms. Pressure is 6 kilograms, and the net weight of this vise is 92 pounds. Operation is obviously manual. So this vise is having the multiple features like this. Fixed block can also be moved forward and backward depending upon the size of the workpiece. And the jaw blocks are having the threaded holes on top of them so that the more blocks can be installed on top of them when we are dealing with the larger workpieces. The base of the vise is having the 3 clear holes in the base so that the vise can be easily installed permanently on the work table. So this rapid holding system centering vise is very useful in quality monitoring, prototyping, manufacturing, small batch multi-variety production in automotive, aviation, medical device, or mold making industry. Another application is assembling and installation of very small irregular shaped parts, laser marking of the parts, CNC processing, automation loading, and there are many more that can be applied to this self-centering vise. So this part number RHS-FV04 is available on our website www.rapidholdingsystems.com, and we provide 3D model of the vise to make sure it fit your need. Welcome to inquire us. We will be glad to help you. Thanks.